Mickey was a dealer on a local estate, a concrete-looking jungle where he made his mistakes. Living on the social took its toll on the crook. He turned his hand to crystal and he learned how to cook. Extremely well connected, he knew all of the boys, had access to a bunker with the finest of toys. Although he had a small frame, he was big on the guns. A 45 revolver helped him clean up the funds. He practiced up his aim down at the rubbish depot on rats the size of cats who were enjoying their home. A laser guided sight under the lunar display would send those critters packing as they entered the fray. He's got a long way to go. He's got a long, long way. He's got a long way to go. He's got a long, long. Took a trip with Charlie down the M55. The car loaded with powder and the plan they devised. A service station blunder hit them harder than punch. The sirens and the flashing made them choke on their lunch. The tree had lost the magic as they looked high and low. Then underneath the driver's seat a package of blow was brought to the attention of a black Labrador, who would send them both to prison for a lesson in law. He'd had enough of porridge and was missing his son. When came a day for parole, he was ready to run. Brought into the meeting, he was given a choice of getting cozy in a cell or maybe using his voice. He's got a long way to go. He's got a long, long way. He's got a long way to go. He's got a long, long. You're a police informer now, you'll do what you can. You'll integrate the network and you'll squeal on the men. We'll bulletproof your windows and we'll strengthen your doors until those hardened criminals are brought to the floor. We'll check upon your house during the darkest of hours and hide amongst the foxes as the junk is devoured. We're always round the corner if the bricks are deployed. We'll send someone round if you feel paranoid. He's got a long way to go. He's got a long, long way. He's got a long way to go. He's got a long, long way. He's got a long, long way. Long, long way. You see, my wife's a psychic and she's never too wrong. And lately she's had visions with no sense to belong. She's dreaming every night about some men in the room with knives and balaclavas on, they make for the groom. They tie me to the bedpost and they make me confess that I'm the main informer who's been making the mess. They're adding to the trauma with my wife in the chains. With instruments of torture she will surely be slain. So please have my protection before my head is hung. My body cut to pieces just for using my tongue. The world is closing in on me as panic attacks. My tunnel has no light because the future is black.